I'm Dr. Deepak Chopra, and I'm so looking forward to being in South Korea, in Seoul with you. And I'm coming to your beautiful country on April 20th. I'll be at the Sheraton Grand Walker Hill Hotel with the cherry blossoms in bloom. And I'm going to be speaking about radical well-being. Radical well-being is more than just physical well-being. It's well-being at all levels: physical, emotional, spiritual, community, career, financial, you name it. We're going to go deep into the nature of consciousness and discuss a consciousness-based model for radical well-being. My latest book is called Super Genes, and so we will discuss super genes at Super Soul Relay 3, hosted by Ritamville. And super genes is about the interaction between your genome, the genes you got from your parents, the microbiome, the genes you acquired on your way into the world, 2.2 million genes, in addition to the 23,000 genes from your parents. And I'm not talking about blue genes, I'm talking about those genes that are the alphabet and the language of life that create everything that we know as life, from insects to buffaloes to tigers to leopards to rhinoceroses to primates and to you and me. So we'll discuss this interaction between microbial genes, human genes, and the epigenome, which is the creation of the genes, and which in turn regulates the genes. It sounds complicated, but I'll make it very simple so that you'll understand how the integrated activity of these three structures, genes, supergenes, epigenome, create your biology, and how that integration creates integration in body, mind, and spirit, and therefore a state of what I can only call radical well-being. Radical well-being. So if you're looking to have health, wealth, love, and joy and success and peace and equanimity in your life, then join me at the Sheraton Grand Walker Hill Hotel with the cherry blossoms. And we'll discuss super genes at Super Soul Relay 3, hosted by Ritamville. See you there.